Okay, hello everybody. I hope you guys are well and you guys are enjoying your Easter and especially like the nice weather outside, getting some sun and some fresh air. Anyway, so the reason why I am making this video is because in the past few days I've had a lot of questions regarding your poster and what exactly you expect from me or what exactly that I want you to do. So basically I've decided to make this quick video and try to answer some of your questions. So let's get right to it here. Okay, so the first question that I got is, am I supposed to do the same thing or exactly the same thing that the woman in the video is doing? Okay, so the answer actually is no. You don't have to do it exactly as the woman's doing. I really want you to focus on the second part of the video as she describes how to make the poster. So she shows you the icons, the size of the poster, how to insert pictures, logos, anything like that. So really that's the most important thing though. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about putting all the stuff from your abstract into the poster. Okay, so I've actually just written everything down here. So really don't worry about doing the exact same thing, but what is important is everything that she's showing you that needs to be included, all the parts that are necessary to include into the poster. Okay, so let's go through some of those parts then. Okay, so you're going to need to put in your title, of course, your name, any other authors that have contributed to the research. Put your contact information. Don't put your telephone number, but your email address is enough. And then right here at C, these are some of the things that you're definitely going to need to put in your poster. So for example, put in an objective. Now this could be your problem statement and purpose, or both, or a hypothesis. And you can either put it like as a section that says objective or even introduction. So let me just show you the poster. Well, I'll show you some of the posters here and you'll get an idea of what I want. Okay, so if you did look at the presentation made by Jan Svetlik, okay, he made this really cool poster. You can see it here on the right. This is the very last slide, okay? You can go through all the other slides. So let's have a look here. So I'll click through some of them. Okay, and he basically goes through all the errors that you might possibly make and things that you really need to avoid, okay? So even something like this, okay? Be careful about pictures that are unnecessary, okay? So like something like this, like you don't need to put the bird of the year. You don't need to put something like, like donate some money or anything like that, okay? Also, make sure that the background is suitable, okay? The color, you don't want any busyness or anything like that. But anyways, I'm just going to go back to Jan's poster here, okay? Sorry, right over here. Okay, look here. So he's got his title, okay? Right over here, he's got all the authors, including himself here, okay? He's got a number of websites for his sources right there too. Okay, and then these are the parts that he included. So he's got an introduction. Okay, so remember, he's talking about the status and habitat requirements of a keeled plump bush cricket. Okay, so which is over here. Sorry, I don't know what that is, but it's a really cool picture anyway. And so if I zoom in here, I'm actually not going to really zoom. I'm just going to go in a little bit closer. And no, it doesn't focus too well then. Okay, but anyway, so you've got the poster in your presentation at home, so you can look at it and you can probably read it clearly though. But it does give you some some background. And then right here, the main goals of the study, okay? That's the same thing as your objective, okay? So he's got it into two sections. Then he goes over to the materials, okay? And then he gets some preliminary results, okay? he ends the poster with his future research, and then he's got his acknowledgements over there. So these are all the people that he's thanked. Okay, I don't know if we can see anything like that. Yeah, it's probably a little bit too blurry though. Okay, but that doesn't matter though. Okay, so that's thanking like the Slovak Academy of Sciences, or any type of research grant, or any professor or somebody that's helped you make the poster. So everybody you want to thank, just put it also right there into the acknowledgements. Okay. Okay, so like I said, include all the best parts of your research. Okay, methods, results, future research is good. And don't forget your school logo. Okay, so you can download that straight from the internet. Just put the Comenius University, even the Prifuk logo. Both of them are great. Put them somewhere. It really doesn't matter. You can put it either at the top of the poster or at the bottom. So the second question, do I have to use the same abstract that I already submitted? And the answer is no. So you can use like a different abstract or just completely different material. I'm not really concerned about the material because it's an English course, okay? But I did state that I want something scientific, okay? So it can be from biology, it can be from medicine, physics, whatever, okay? So something scientific based, okay? And the reason why I want this is because this is good practice for the student conference that some of you are probably going to participate in the future years in. All right, so what if I don't have any original work? Okay, so I totally get that, okay? I mean, you guys are second year students. You don't have very much, or if any, published work or any experience that matter, writing lengthy scientific articles. So don't panic, okay? I really am not worried about the content. It doesn't make any difference to me, okay? So what is important is that you find a topic that you like, something that's interesting, something that you think that I might like, okay? And then create a poster that you like too. Okay, so I'm just gonna go very quickly and show you some posters or things that you should avoid, okay? So here's a poster, okay? Everything is there, the logo is there, the name of the university, the Department of Chemistry, it's inorganic biochemistry of iron proteins. Okay, starts off okay. I like the color is good. There's a picture of the school. I don't know if that is really necessary, but okay, it's there. And then it gets very, very complicated over here, okay? This is a very, very complicated poster. It's very busy. Posters need to be as simple as possible. Okay, this one's not too bad. The color, the background is okay. But remember, nothing here is really lined up, okay? Like it's what Mr. Svetley calls a dancing poster, okay? So all the sections aren't really lined up and they're a little bit confusing. Also, look at the title, okay? It's very small. This could easily have been corrected by making it much bigger, okay? Because the first thing that my eye focuses on is here in the middle. Then I kind of go up to the mountains, and then, the third thing, okay, is the topic, okay? This actually needs to be the most important thing in your poster. So either make it larger or put it in the middle, somewhere where your eye is going to look at it right away. Okay, so this poster here, let me just get out a little bit. Okay, it's not bad, okay? I like that, all the sections are in different colors. But be careful, there's a lot of text, there's a lot of reading, okay? So you got to be very, very, choosy, viberavi about what you want to include in your poster, because a poster is more about a visual presentation, and you're going to be standing next to your poster and presenting it. Okay, here's a really nice one. Actually, I like this one quite a bit, okay? So it's great color scheme. Right away, I know that the topic is going to be a bird. The title is perfect. It's big, okay? And the type of bird, the wild zebra finch, okay? It's right there. It's very clear what this poster is about, okay? if you look at it though, I'm just going to go a little bit closer. You can see some of the sections here. So you have an introduction, and then you have something here that's called questions, okay? So your questions is individual foraging behavior consistent in wild zebra finches. So this is your hypothesis, okay, or problem statement or motivation statement. Here's another one, and how do environmental conditions influence foraging behavior? Okay, so then you can go down, okay, so here are the methods and the materials that are used, okay. It's probably not focused very well, of course, okay, but you know, this is the location and everything. And then here you have the results and your discussion, okay. Almost nothing is written. There's hardly any text. You can see the results, okay. There's very little discussion, so, which is also okay. You know, the reason why it's okay is because you're going to be present when people are coming to look at your poster. So when they say, well, can you discuss some of that for me? Then yes, you can. Okay, so yeah, I like it. Maybe just put the title, just put the subheading results, okay? And don't even put discussion, okay? And then they'll ask the discussion, you know, start talking, okay? If you look down here, okay? So we have a couple of logos here. We have also some contact information as well. And yeah, that's great. Okay, so I see this very, very often, okay? So this is an example of like putting your whole research paper into a poster, and then, you know, I mean, even these graphs and or tables and whatnot, these are, I think, mice or something like that. And, you know, all that kind of stuff can also be included into your paper. So you don't really want to do that, okay? All right, and here's, yeah, okay, on the left, they're basically the same poster, okay? It's just that they've been edited, okay? Blue is fine, okay, but you can hardly read that this is the introduction. This says methods here, okay, results, okay? This side, okay, you can see it's been edited a little bit, okay? You've got your introduction, you've got your methods, okay? Your results over here, okay, instead of having all 4 of the graphs, okay, you've got 3 of them there, okay? Although this graph here, I don't know if it's the same thing, but doesn't matter though. It's been edited in a way that it looks, you know, easier to the eye. It's clearer to read, you know, so make your poster, but then make an edit, okay? Just choose only the best parts of the poster that you think somebody would like to look at. So I hope that clears everything up for you guys. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can either leave comments below this video, you can hit the subscribe button. I'm going to try to, you know, post a video up every week for you guys, and we'll do our lessons this way, okay? So as you can see, I'm at home and I'm in my kitchen. But this is all I've got to work with right now. But anyways, after the Easter holidays, I do have permission to go back to my office, and so I'll film right from my office or from our classroom, one or the other. So basically, every week you'll get like a lecture, and I'll send you the exercises or any assignments that you know might go along with it. And basically we'll meet every Tuesday at the same time, just as we did, you know, before we all had to stay home. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Have a happy Easter, everybody. And yeah, I really, really look forward to seeing you guys again. Okay, take care. Until next time. Bye.